My husband cooks the same breakfast for me every day, so today I want to cook something different for myself. This is a kind of the sweet potatoes. See, it's purple. This called Taro. It's a kind of sweet potato too. I'm gonna use them to cook my breakfast. We cook this a lot in China. Tapioca pearl. Just simply put all the sweet potatoes in the boiling water. Give it 2 minutes. When it's boiling again, we put the tapioca pearl in, stirring it. Add some crystal sugar, or you can use any sugar. And how much to put in depends how sweet you like it. Now we turn the heat to the medium. Don't forget to stirring it. The tapioca is very easy to stick on the pot. Now you can see a little bit white in the tapioca, means it's done. Now we turn off the heat. Cover it for 3 more minutes to make the tapioca completely cooked. See? It's like this. Now I want to add some milk in it. Now you can see the tapioca very obviously now. See? My breakfast. Anyone like dessert, you should try this. It's a very popular dessert in China, and you can take it as your breakfast.